Hair extensions are a great option if you're willing to add volume and length to your existing hair. You can get them in a variety of options, and clip-in hair extensions are our personal favorite. They come in different colors, lengths, and types, so you can easily choose one according to your desire. But before you go for that, make sure that the extension matches your original hair for that beautiful blend-in effect. Now that being said, it's time to take a look at the 5 best hair extensions we have picked for you. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Glam Seamless Clip-In Hair Extensions are a blogger favorite product, and it comes in a range of colors, ensuring quality and added volume to your existing hair. These premium 100% Remy human hair extensions are safe for coloring and heat styling. They have seamless clip weft, which remains invisible, and the Invisi clips are 50% thinner for your convenience. The extensions are made with anti-shedding technology, so you can style your hair easily without worrying about shedding and tangling as well. These are available in different lengths and blend in quite well while giving you a natural looking volume. The Glam Seamless Clip-In Hair Extensions are a product which is liked by users on Amazon, as it has a high quality and provides a great look. The product also hasn't received any negative reviews on Amazon. So let's take a look at the ratings. We highly admired the product and love the value and the quality provided. So we'll be giving it a 5 out of 5 stars in total. Our next pick for today is the Amazing Beauty Hair Clip-In Hair Extensions. These hair extensions are afro curly in nature, and they are jet black in color to give you that amazing springy and fluffy finish that you've been dreaming of. The extensions are made of 100% Remy human hair, and they are made imitating 3C48 curls for providing you with a gorgeous look. You can easily wash the extensions and condition them, while they can be cut and flat ironed as well. These have double weft and come with the stainless steel clips. Plus, the extensions do not get tangled, so you can easily clip in the extensions and get a bouncy look with added length and volume. And these hair extensions are shedding free as well. The Amazing Beauty Hair Clip-In Hair Extensions are favored by many users as they provide a natural look without getting tangled. They also appreciated the quality of these extensions, but as it goes, a few users didn't really like the product. So it's time to check out the ratings. We gladly give this hair extensions 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and value. But it is a bit pricey, so it'll get 4 stars on that. Colored hair is great for achieving a gorgeous and a vibrant look. But if you don't want to bleach and color your existing hair, but would love to get that colorful vibe, then colored hair extensions are a great option. And for that, we absolutely recommend the Shenhe hair colored clip-in hair extensions for you to try on. These extensions are made of 100% heat-resistant synthetic fiber, and they can be curled or straightened according to your wish. The colors are vibrant, while the extensions come with double weft and comb clips, which provide a tight and a strong hold. These extensions also offer shedding and tangle-free experience, so you can easily wear them before going to any occasion and feel gorgeous on the go. The Shenhe hair-colored clip-in hair extensions are highly admired by users, and they love how these extensions are easy to wear and provide a dramatic finish while being vibrant in color. But then again, a few users didn't really have a great experience with this product. So moving on to the ratings, we admire the overall quality and extensions. They are really affordable. So we would like to give it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Hair extensions often get tangled, and it is quite a task to detangle them properly. This is why the VARIO clip-in hair extensions promise to give you a tangle-free experience. These are 100% Remy human hair extensions, which you can treat and style just the way you desire. The clips are sewn quite well and they are covered with a soft rubber for added protection. The extensions are soft and silky, and they offer you tangle and shedding-free style. They also come in different colors and lengths, so you can choose the one for yourself according to your necessity. Users absolutely love these hair extensions as they are thick and stay in quite well, blending perfectly. But besides all the positive feedbacks, some of them face different issues after using the extensions. So it's time to rate this product. We appreciate the quality and affordability of these hair extensions. So overall, they get 5 out of 5 stars. Our best pick for today is the Goo Goo clip-in hair extensions, as they come in beautiful ombre colors and have earned the love of thousands of satisfied users. These 9A grade clip-in hair extensions are made of 100% Remy human hair. They are available in different ombre colors, starting from ombre chocolate brown to honey blonde, and they come in different lengths, so you can easily pick one for yourself. The wefts are handmade and breathable, while the metal clips are sewn quite well into them. Additionally, you can color and curl the extensions just the way you like. The Goo Goo clip-in hair extensions are loved by users on Amazon as they blend in quite well while having great color and a soft feel. But some of the users complained that the hair was thin. Now let's check out the ratings. We love the quality and value of these extensions, and they get 5 stars on those. But the product is pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. And those were our top 5 best clip-in hair extensions. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.